Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an image banner in Shopify. Image banners are great for highlighting promotions, new collections, or brand messaging right when someone lands on your store. Now, if you want to add an image banner to your store, for example, you deleted it accidentally, don't worry. This happens more often than you think. It is very easy to return or to create, even if you're starting from scratch. So of course, you need to be signed in. And once you're logged into your admin dashboard, you want to look to your left-hand side and click on Online Store here, like so. This is where all of your theme and layout settings live. It's going to bring you to this theme screen that you're seeing right now, where you control how your store looks to customers. And what we want to do is click on Edit Theme here. So click Edit Theme. Now this is where we can edit pretty much anything about our store, from layout sections to colors, images, and homepage elements. Now by default, you're going to have an image banner here. But for example, you're starting everything from scratch and you don't have an image banner, but you have like a product page, so on and so forth. This can also happen if you're using a new theme or recently removed sections. Usually, the old method is to hover your mouse until you see this right and click on Add Section to Template. Now here, usually, the old method is you just type in image banner and nothing is showing anymore. Shopify has updated how themes work, so this option doesn't always appear the way it used to, but there is a way to do so. There's a way to do this. It's very simple, and it actually gives you more control over placement. All you need to do is just hover your mouse here and highlight whatever it is where the image banner will be at, maybe on top or on the bottom of it. Choosing the placement matters because it affects what customers see first. For this example, as you can see, this is our featured collection. You want to click on Ask for Changes, right? Click Ask for Changes. This is the AI side of things when it comes to customizing your Shopify store, and it allows you to make layout changes using simple instructions instead of manually editing sections. All I need to do here is type in Make an image or add an image banner. Add an image banner on top of this element, right? Being specific here is important so Shopify knows exactly where to place it, and then press Enter. It's not going to think, so this might take a minute, but it'll add an image banner. Once it's stuck, as you can see, it says Making Changes. There you go. Just be patient while Shopify applies the update. There you go. As you can see, it just added the image banner on top of the product page, as you can see here, because I asked it. I actually commanded it to, or prompted it, not commanded, prompted it to put it on top of this. Because usually, if you just say add or create an image banner, it's just gonna place it below this, and you don't want that. You want the image banner up front and center on top of your page when people go to your Shopify store, so they immediately see your main message, promotion, or featured collection. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon so you don't miss future Shopify tutorials. We'll see you on the next video.